Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the silent messaging option given by Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Line Messenger on your phone. The next thing you want to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then click on Settings or the gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and find Line Labs. After you find Line Labs, tap on it and you can see the silent messaging option. You can now send messages without notifications when you don't want to disturb the recipient. You can send all of the messages like text, photos, videos and stickers as silent messages, but you need to try this and turn it on. To try, tap and hold the send button after enabling this option. So go ahead and enable this function, and now you can go to chats and send a message. So after you send it, you can go ahead and tap it for a while and you can see there is a something more. You can see send normally and send silently option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that this has been sent, but this is a silent message and no notifications will be come to any of the people who you are sending this message to. So it's quite easy to do this. Go to Home, click on Settings, go to Line Labs and enable the silent messaging option. As you try to send a message to someone, you can go ahead and tap on the send option. As you send it, this is not a silent message, but if you want to send a silent message, you should tap it for a while and you can see the send silently option. Go ahead and tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, you can easily send the silent message. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.